Hello, and welcome to Engineers360's tutorial video for job postings. Engineers360 is a no resume, no scanning technique that out of a pool of thousands of engineers matches you with the best engineering talent for your needs. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process developing a refined posting. By the video's end, we'll generate a list of candidates whose profiles are a best match. Engineers360 is a powerful tool that helps save you time and money in your search for your ideal engineering candidate. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, in the hyperlink bar, type in www.engineers360.net/EMPL_profile. Now that we've arrived at the web page, let's try registering. Here at the Profile Generator page, you're required to input your username, your password typed twice, the name of your organization, the type of organization, the address, the city, province, country, postal code, contact person, phone number, and email. Once you've done so, you can submit your profile. Now that we're in the login page, we can go ahead and type in our usernames and passwords. Once you've logged in, the page displays your profile. On the left, you can choose to view all the jobs you have listed or create any new job postings. Let's create a new job by clicking on the Add New Job button. On the first section of the Add New Job page, we'll add in the general job information. We'll do this first by inputting the job title. Let's assume our firm needs a structural engineer, so here we'll type that in. The second step is the expiry of the position, the deadline for applications. Let's assume ours is November 30th, 2009. We then have to put in the type of job. Well, let's assume this position is for an intern. After this, job function. From the options, let's pick structural design. Then, of course, the job complexity. How about moderately complex? Okay, now that the general job info is complete, let's go stipulate the kind of past job experiences we want by clicking on Add Job Experience. Okay, at this point, let's very quickly talk about one of the strengths of Engineers360. One of the common listed problems for HR personnel is the decision regarding what skills to choose when posting jobs. Engineers360, which is an engineering HR tool built by engineers for engineers, circumvents this problem by limiting your options as you proceed through the steps of job development. It's also a very easy to use HR tool. What does that mean, you ask? Well, here in the main field section, if you click on, say, Forest Engineering, the focus fields that come up are limited to forest engineering, while focuses irrelevant to forest engineering are filtered out. So, if we click on, say, structural engineer, the options that come up are specifically relevant to that field of engineering. This example of skills matching eases the job posting process, but still allows us the freedom to choose several focus fields of experience we think may be necessary for our intern position. Let's choose industrial buildings and steel structures. How about that? Okay, so now for education. We'll keep it easy and keep developing a posting for a structural engineering intern. But we should remember that though we can put in more than one educational background we think may be ideal, we should probably try to narrow down our list of candidates. Engineers360 itself will employ algorithms to provide us with the closest matches to our postings, sometimes from different backgrounds. So we should always try to keep our postings as focused as possible. Let's move on to skills. Here you can begin to see that our options of skills to choose from have been filtered by the program and are limited to the functions of structural design. This is skills matching at work again. These skills have been matched to the job function option we chose on the initial general job information page. So this would be the skills page for an environmental engineer. Take a note of the differences. Having put in the technical skills, we can now put in the software knowledge we require for our position. You know, there's a great deal of programs we can choose from, each with its own particular application to fields, but for the sake of brevity, how about we just pick something everyone knows? I specifically remember it from my high school tech class, AutoCAD. If we want to add more programs, we can just hold down the control button and click on additional options. But that's not really necessary at this point, so let's just move ahead.